Hello. Can I sit here? Hello. Can I sit here?
Yes, this seat is free. Yes, this seat is free.
Thank you. My name is Amit. What is your name? Thank you. My name is Amit. What is your name?
My name is Biren. Nice to meet you, Amit. My name is Biren. Nice to meet you, Amit.
Nice to meet you too, Biren. Are you new here? Nice to meet you too, Biren. Are you new here?
Yes, I came here last week. Yes, I came here last week.
Welcome. Where are you from? Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Assam. Do you know Assam? I am from Assam. Do you know Assam?
Yes. Assam is famous for tea. Yes. Assam is famous for tea.
Yes, where are you from? Yes, where are you from?
I am from this city. I live here. I am from this city. I live here.
That is nice. What do you do? That is nice. What do you do?
I am a student. I study computer science. And you? I am a student. I study computer science. And you?
I am also a computer science student. I am also a computer science student.
Wow, really? Maybe we are in the same class. Wow, really? Maybe we are in the same class.
Maybe. That will be good. I don't know many people here. Maybe. That will be good. I don't know many people here.
Don't worry. You will make many friends. So, what do you like to do? Don't worry. You will make many friends. So, what do you like to do?
Like music, movies, and reading. What about you? Like music, movies, and reading. What about you?
I like music and volleyball. I like music and volleyball.
Volleyball is my favorite. Do you play? Volleyball is my favorite. Do you play?
Yes, I play on weekends with friends. You can come too. Yes, I play on weekends with friends. You can come too.
Thank you. I want to play. Thank you. I want to play.
Great. Do you know any good food places here? Great. Do you know any good food places here?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
I know one cafe. It has good food and tea. I know one cafe. It has good food and tea.
Sounds good. Can we go together? Sounds good. Can we go together?
Yes, let's go this weekend. Yes, let's go this weekend.
Okay. Okay.
Are you on WhatsApp? Are you on WhatsApp?
Yes. This is my number. Yes. This is my number.
Thank you. I will send you a message. Thank you. I will send you a message.
Nice talking with you, Amit. Nice talking with you, Amit.
Nice talking with you too, Biren. See you soon. Nice talking with you too, Biren. See you soon.
See you. See you.
Please like, share and subscribe for more and press the bell icon to get all notification. Thank you.